So today I want to talk about a really simple plugin that we've created that I think solves an important problem. So one of the nice things that I really like about the Camunda modeler is that you can actually come into it and you can indicate colors. So you can come in here and you can sort of choose, hey, this color is for, I don't know, things that are being done by the external system, or people that are being done by outsourced contractors, or this particular system or that system, or that you can indicate this is, a high probability path or a low probability path. You can even indicate things like a degree of doneness. So I've often, had a diagram like this, and I'll sort of say, well, we're done with apply for job and we're working on review application, and interview candidate is at risk. So I'll use, green to indicate done, and yellow to indicate that, something is in progress, and red to indicate that it's at risk. All well and good. There's a minor problem with this, which is that when you create colors like this, it only makes sense to the people who are actually part of that conversation on that day. When other people are looking at it, it's really hard to know what you meant by your color. So in order to solve that problem, we created a very simple open source free plugin that actually allows you to indicate a legend for your colors. So you can come over here now, and when you choose a color, you can say things like, well, this is going to be done by, candidates. And, maybe you can come over here and say, well, this one over here is going to be done by internal staff, right? So this will be internal staff. And the same thing over here. So again, you've just got a little legend over here. You can use it to indicate who's doing what. You can reorder the items on it, and you can even sort of move it around within your diagram so that you can sort of indicate, where it's supposed to be and how it's supposed to be used. So, the goal of all this is just to provide an easy way for people to be able to communicate what it is that they're trying to do and how they're trying to do it. If you think this is helpful, we'd love to get your feedback on it. I'll provide a link to the legend diagram as part of the documentation for this video. But the goal is just to make it easier for all of us to communicate with everyone. As I said, it's a free open source plugin that anybody can use. And we'd love to get some feedback on how we could make it better. And if you want to contribute, that would be fantastic. Thank you very much.